hell is wrong? He's like, I'm nervous. For what? For you. I'm like, I'm not even nervous.
You know what? I get nervous when you go in with Dean. When I go in, I don't even get that nervous. I'm nervous watching other people.
Once you go through the gate,
I was the most nervous on the first day because of what happened.
When he first started showing me plans,
Looks like she's got eyebrows.
his first few shows, I go to the gate and I'm just
feel your carotid artery.
For sure, I didn't know what to expect. Because I've been told all these stories. I've been told all these stories about Sue. Just lots of stories. And we do nearly as much as she does as she normally does when she shows.
Everyone's finding that awesome. Hey!
Yeah.
come here.
Shh. When do you park your horses? You're being annoying. You're gonna go in the car.
Yeah.
I could never do that.
I'm gonna buy a bacon banana.
You just calm down.
Why?
Oh.
Why?
No. Just relax. Let's be relaxed.